Okay, so you have the yeast in a measuring cup with the water and the sugar.
If the water's too hot, it can kill the yeast.
Right, if the water's too hot, you can. But if you put the water the same temperature as your body temperature, like when you put your hand in the water, it feels slightly warm but not too hot and not too cold, like pretty much the same temperature as your body. That would be the. Don't worry, it won't kill the yeast. Anyway, so you have the water and the yeast in the measuring cup, and then you start to mix up your ingredients. You have the flour, the sugar, the salt, the oil, and the eggs. You mix that all up, and once it starts to get all crumbly, you should look over at the yeast, and the yeast should be all bubbly and foamy, like a brown foamy thing. And then you pour that in. Then you fill up another 3 cups of water. And wait, and then pour the yeast in and start mixing it up. And then you fill up another 3 cups of water in another measuring cup. And then you slowly pour little by little of the water into the big mixture, and you keep mixing it until it gets to be the right consistency. You don't want it too dry and you don't want it too sticky. If it's too sticky, you can always add more flour, so that's okay. But try not to, because when you add more flour, then it unbalances.